are caught napping, we are not ready for such eventualities. Hence, you see everybody now going to one area, and you can be finished in one area. You know why I say you can be finished? You are flying, I don't know how many helicopters. Supposing there was corruption on the air, you will finish on that event alone. So, we are not organized. There is no proper system in place. If the system is there in place, it's being overlooked. Or it's just thought a very small degree or small level. Now, first and foremost, just the composition of Dmmu, WAMA, these water disaster management kind of things. If you look at them, they operate separately, and yet they're supposed to separate. They're supposed to operate together. These housing segments have brought the situation we are now seeing. WAMA wants to be important over water. All these resources of water, they want to be on their own. Let's have one house that is supposed to channel all these eventualities that are expected to State House. We're doing it. So you are looking at the entire government department is on flat. Supposing after a flood, another catastrophe happens. We expect volcanoes, we expect these earthquakes can strike anywhere, even a disease. How are we going to subdivide ourselves? We find ourselves actually getting into one hole. The government goes into one hole, everything goes down there. But if anything happens, we shall be caught napping. So I, for one, we could have allowed maybe the vice president go through it, through other government departments, and then report the president. What the president will see and what the vice president will see, there are some pictures. Oh, we need now a solution. Now, who should be charged with that responsibility? Is it Minister of Agriculture? Is it Minister? Now, there you even find the defense is there, ZNS is there, everything is almost there. But what are we doing? We are disorganized. Because even insects, let me tell you, even insects, when they meet a catastrophe, you find they operate, they save themselves in a system. These ones will be doing ABC. They are very organized. Insects are organized. So why can't we also do the same?